OLED gaming monitors are at the top of 2026 display tech, stunning contrast, blazing response times, and rich HDR. But which is better between the LG 32GX870A-B and the ASUS PG32UCDM? Let's break down their real strengths and weaknesses. First up, the LG. A 32-inch 4K UHD WOLED gaming display with dual-mode OLED that lets you switch between 4K 240Hz and 1080p 480Hz depending on your game. It has incredibly fast 0.03 millisecond response time and support for adaptive sync, NVIDIA G-Sync, and FreeSync Premium Pro for tear-free gaming. Plus, Display HDR True Black 400 certified, giving it vibrant colors and perfect black levels that OLED is known for. Some of its pros. Its dual mode gives you flexibility, high resolution for immersive play, and ultra-high refresh for esports. It's best-in-class contrast for deep blacks thanks to WOLED tech, and USB-C with power delivery, good gaming suite, and excellent panel uniformity. However, WOLED's panels can be less bright in HDR full screen than QD-OLED alternatives. It has slightly less peak brightness than some QD-OLED monitors, but still excellent overall. Next, the ASUS, a 32-inch 4K QD OLED monitor built specifically for high-end gaming and HDR experiences. Its 240Hz refresh rate, ultra-fast 0.03 millisecond response time, and broad DCI-P3 99% cinema-grade color coverage makes it a truly next-gen display. ASUS also builds advanced features like Display HDR 400 True Black, USB-C with up to 90 watts power, and built-in KVM for controlling multiple systems for one setup. Some of its pros: QD OLED panel with rich color and slightly higher brightness potential than WOLED. Excellent overall gaming performance with adaptive sync and HDMI 2.1 for next-gen consoles, and premium extras like KVM and USB-C power delivery. Great for multi-device users. However, it has typically no super high refresh alternate mode like LG's 480Hz FHD dual mode. It sticks to 4K 240Hz. QD OLED can be slightly more reflective and may have different black behavior in bright rooms, according to some user reports. Here's the real takeaway. Best for competitive gamers, the LG shines with its dual mode OLED. You get both high resolution and super high refresh. Perfect if you switch between esports and immersion. Best for balanced HDR and premium experience, the ASUS gives rich colors, deep blacks, and top-tier OLED performance with extras like KVM and USB-C. Ideal if you want a true flagship 4K OLED gaming experience. The bottom line, the LG for versatility and refresh-focused gaming, and the ASUS for color fidelity and premium features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.